Hi, in this video I will be talking about a very important clause. This clause will be talking about jurisdiction and governing law for this agreement. I will read it out to you and then I will explain it. Part 1. This agreement will be governed by and shall be construed in accordance with the laws of Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Part 2. Any claims or disputes arising out or in connection with this agreement which cannot be amicably resolved by the parties within 15 days shall be exclusively and finally settled by courts of Dubai, United Arab Emirates. What does it say in a simple language? It means that, first of all, if there is any disputes, you guys need to settle it within 15 days. If you fail to settle this, then you need to go to the court. When you need to go to the court, there are two questions here. Which type of court and which jurisdiction and what type of law? You need to understand this prior even reaching to the dispute. Why this is so important? Because if you fail to mention where or which country or which city's laws is applicable, then you will have problem. Perhaps the other party will try to use a certain jurisdiction in order to get what they have in mind. So better to be clear at the beginning. You mentioned that Dubai's laws and Dubai's court will be having the jurisdiction to take care of these kind of disputes. There are other jurisdictions, other type of courts. We have Dubai Arbitration Center that they also have the right to take care of these disputes. However, I would try to avoid using arbitration clauses because of its complications, and in most of the cases it's not in favor of my client to use this clause. Therefore, I just stick to Dubai courts and Dubai law. I'm sure that you will have tons of questions about this. Feel free, absolutely, to send me an email to arash@zodlaw.com and I will be more than happy to assist you with your inquiries. If you want to connect with me on social media, you know how to find me. Arash Zod on all social media platforms. Send me a DM right over there and I will give you an answer. I'll see you on the next video.